Welcome to Scalenut AI. In this video, I am going to show you how to write a SEO blog. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll be on this screen right here. You can see here, Article Writer on your dashboard. Click on Create. Add your target keyword. Choose between the top 10, 20 or 30 ranking. Select a location. And click on Start. Here, you need to take 4 quick steps. Add context. Select article type. Select feature image style. In reference article, select URL. Add tone of voice here and click on Create Title. To add title, simply click on any title that interests you. Select Create Outline. Here, you can select any header you want and drag it to the desired location. Also write a custom heading or get tag ideas by clicking on AI suggestions. Also add custom questions. And select CTA from the drop-down menu. And click on Generate Content. Here, you'll find the first draft on the right side prepared and ready for your finishing touches. Then, click on Export to Editor. You can either work on recommendations manually or take the help of newly launched feature, Fix It. All you need to do is click on Fix It, and it will redirect you to a suggestion screen. You can now choose to select Accept to implement the recommendation. Once you are satisfied with your final touches, you'll find an option at the top left here to export as PDF document and as HTML. If you want to use Scalenut for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.